69, we've got Marion here. Just here to film a few trains at Epping today. Right, rails unknown D set and D3 to Newcastle. It is almost 7 PM on a weeknight. On my way to Epping, I did pass a freight train on the Marion, so it should be passing through. That's the main reason why I decided to get out and film this video. Because you see a ton of freight trains at Epping. There was actually one passing platform number 1 before I ultimately could start filming. So it really should start filming a bit earlier. Epping seems to have a ton of freight trains. It's like freight train-topia here at Epping. Guys, each house has a few sleepers. Epping has a few hundred. Yes, I did steal this to equip Sydney trains for us. There it is. Tangara coming in. T17 is trailing, but I do have to get home, so that'll be the end of this vlog. I know it was pretty short, and it surprisingly had no water ties. I will see you next time, so until then, goodbye.